is Rian Calvaldez from BHHM1, Block 22. IoT, the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a technology that connects physical device things to the Internet, allowing them to collect and exchange data without human intervention. This device can include smart homes, appliances, industrial sensors, healthcare monitors, wearable device, and more. Advantage of IoT: convenience and automations. IoT enables automations, reducing and needs for manual works, gaya po ng smart homes device that can adjust lighting, temperature, and security automatically. Improve safety and security, gaya po ng smart security system like cameras, monitor sensors. Sa pamamagitan po nito is mababantayan po natin ang ating mga bahay sa mga magnanakaw. Disadvantage: privacy concern. Many IoT devices collect sensitive data such as personal habits and location, raising concerns about authorized data access. Security risk. Since IoT device connect to the internet, pwede po tayong ma-hack and ma-cyber attack. IoT is both beneficial and risky for society. Nakadepende na lang po yan sa tao kung paano po niya ito i-manage or gagamitin. IoT is generally good for society if security and privacy risks are properly addressed. Responsible use, strong cybersecurity measures, and ethical regulations can minimize its benefits while minimizing harm.